If you're looking for 50x, 100x, 200x layer 2 project, so here you can see these project names, everyone holding a Matic, Arbitrum, Optimism. So these coin make a lot of people multi-million next bull run. Is it true or wrong? How much can they give it to the investor holds, those who hold it, and giving a massive amount of patience to these companies? Yes, you can do it and make us rich in the next bull run. So which coin giving a massive amount of return, which coin not giving that much return, people thinking. I'm going to review. I'm your host Travis. Let's begin. If you're new to the channel, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Let's dive into the screen. First coin I'm talking about the Polygon one, and you can see the Polygon price approx 80 cent. Well, the last time it dropped so crazy due to the SEC lawsuit, and this is the bottom approx of 50 cent. And it consolidated approx 80 cent. Now the supply almost decreasing, the secondary supply also decreasing. There is a bunny mechanism, and as compared to the other layer 2, it holding a massive amount of liquidity in a 24-hour, also in a market cap. Just think about it. If you're looking for a layer 2, so this one is the first layer 2 based project, not giving that much return, at least is a safest haven. Think about it. If Ethereum reaching approx $20,000 right now, Ethereum price approx $1,500. I don't know which price is it, but approx 1,500. I'm just thinking right now. So it's giving approx 13x approx. Just think about it, 13x. And if the price surging up in a Matic, it's reaching approx 25, so it's easy to reaching again the 300. But we calculate this value at the bottom. The last time it dropped approx 40 cent. So 40 cent, if we calculate the 50x, so it's reaching, heading to the approx 20x. So I'm not saying this is a 100x project, but at least it should need to be give approx of 50x. Right now, if we bought it at approx 60 cent or 80 cent, just think about it at $25, and the value which we get it approx 88, so it's almost at 28. So yeah, it hardly to reach 50, but at least at 28 or 25 easily to exit out. So this is the reason why I put this thing on a 50x. So what exactly Matic doing? Because if the company not performing very well, so how is it possible it's giving a massive amount of return? I know a lot of people holding a massive amount of token, and they are all going to the moon in the next born in 2025 end of December, because we have a very less amount of days remaining, because the halving date is incoming. Look at the date, only 188 days remaining in the next cycle of the halving, and reverse goes to down. What happened with the Polygon, what happened with the the project, they're literally dropping and pumping that time. So this is crazy time. We have only 1.5 year remaining to see the next bull run, see the Polygon to the $25. Look at what exactly they are doing, layer of the internet, and they're also working with the ZkSync. Everyone launching the ZkSync, but Matic, why I don't like a Matic that much harder, just like other layer 2, just because if you see the an Arbitrum, Ethereum have a massive amount of scaling solution, just like a Arbitrum is a governance one, and you know what, they're also launching the staking system in a Ethereum 2.0. They also providing a ZkSync, and there's a beautiful project, the RabbitX and DYDX, ZkSync going crazy, giving a massive amount of feature to the traders and also investor and developer. You can build it and just create some kind of innovation. But in a Polygon, there is no DAO system. There is only ZkSync. You can increase and compatible with this thing. But where is a DAO system? There is no DAO. This is the reason why I put this thing on a 50x, and I'm not thinking this goes more higher from the 50x. So what other coin I'm talking about is Arbitrum. Arbitrum, people saying Arbitrum is a massive and mega super duper coin making a lot of people rich. So I put this thing on a 200x. Crazy. Just like Travis is gonna talk about it. Just sitting in a chair and talking like a shared one. But I'm talking about the use case, guys. Use case. So look at the Arbitrum. Arbitrum is future. Let me clear this thing. People say, Travis, how is it possible? It's a future because Arbitrum have a massive amount of liquidity. Look at this. Ethereum, number one, BNB, Binance. I don't like Binance chain anymore because Binance, destroy many families. It's just a joke. I'm talking about it, okay? But look at their ICOs, almost fail. A lot of ICO fail, and Binance facing a lawsuit. Look at what happened with the FTX. They destroy other company. They look at the motive of the BNB. I don't like these people, I'm not saying Sam Bankman-Fried is bad or good, but CZ also not bad or good. Let me clear this thing. So this is the reason why I don't like Binance anymore. Arbitrum is an eye-catching thing. So this is a new technology, DAO system governance. It's very hard to hack it. It's very hard to destroy this ecosystem. This is a future. The Arbitrum is the right hand of Ethereum. So Polygon, Arbitrum, but they launched their own ecosystem, layer 1. So this is the reason why I don't like it. But in Ethereum, it's a layer 2. So Arbitrum holding millions of dollars worth of locked value. The transaction also similar like Polygon. Polygon is an old project. Look at the Arbitrum token, massive use. But BNB is very fast, but low transaction fees increase the number of tokens. So this is crazy. So I don't like Binance anymore. But Arbitrum holding approx $1.14. Look at the graph of the Arbitrum. What major reason behind I put this thing on 300x? So look at this one. This is extreme bottom, approx 0.76. People say, Travis, is it going anywhere? This is DAO. They can decrease the supplies, and later on in future, just think about it, they have a massive amount of locking system. There are a lot of tokens. They're unlocked, not unlocked. Just think about it. If it reached $350, and right now approx 80 cent, it's easy to giving approx 437 eventually. The 200x. So I'm not saying it's a 400x, but at least it's reaching approx at 200x. But you don't need to miss this supply, which is very, very low. So this is the reason why I love this project. They're also working very, very hard with this layer 2. People say you have to look at the Matic. It's way bigger than Arbitrum. So they're providing a powerful suite of layer 2 scaling solution. Arbitrum is shaping the future of Ethereum. Technology make it possible for project to leverage the Ethereum security built on next generation app. They're also working very, very hard in a Web3. There is a massive amount of rollup, Trust, Orbit. These are the projects, these are technology. A lot of big companies or ecosystem use this technology. Uniswap, Chainlink, and Alchemy Pay, and Treasury, the Magic One, Prof One. They're also adding their technology in their ecosystem. They're also holding approx 1.5 million Ethereum, an active wallet. Look at this massive amount of volume, almost a $7.08 billion lock. So people say there is a less amount of volume over here, a less amount of market cap. How is it possible, Travis? It holding that much volume in a locked. This is the thing you have to understand, because there is an ecosystem, GMX one, and also Magic one. They're holding millions of dollars. There's a lower project also using this technology, some BNB based technology, also using this technology. So they divide this all the ecosystem, and this is a rough figure of this amount. So you have to understand, this is the reason why I put this thing on 200x. And I love the Arbitrum. Arbitrum is the future, and no one gonna sell it, so get ready for that. So other coin I'm talking about, Optimism. Yeah, Optimism is a 100x project. or eventually more than 100x project. So people say, why put this thing on a 300x, Travis? You have to look at the price of the Optimism, approx $1.68, and the supply very, very low. Look at the circulating supply. Let me open the notepad for you. Let me show you how is it possible to it reaching approx 300x. Look at this is supply of Optimism, and if you look at the other supply of Arbitrum, because Arbitrum supply in circulation, look at this one. Look at the compare this thing. Massive amount of gap. It have a massive amount of liquidity in Arbitrum, but in Optimism very less, very, very less. And this is the reason why I put this thing on 300x, because Optimism consolidated approx $1.68. Check out the graph, all-time high, the extreme bottom again 50 cent, and now heading to the upside approx $1.72. So easy to reaching approx $300, eventually $200 in the next bull run, because the supply is major concern, and also the volume also surging up. And if you see the use case of Optimism, there is a massive amount of project is built on it. The ecosystem, the partnership. Look at this one, Arbitrum, and also Avalanche, BSC, Celer, Ethereum, Phantom, Genesis, Optimism, Tron, Moonbeam, Near, and Polygon. Solana is good for the next board ones, and I'm not saying CS is good, but Arbitrum is good, BSC a little bit good, Ethereum also good, Optimism is good, Tron is good. So these are the project built on using the technology, not say build on it, but using the Optimism technology. There is some companies just like of Coinbase also heavily invest in Optimism, so easy to reach that level. This is the reason why I put this thing on a 300x. So everyone have a dream to build their houses, build a family. I know there are a lot of people waiting so long. If we hold it, so next year might be next year, we get some insane amount of, we build our houses, build our dreams. So this is all I want, and this is the reason why filming this video for you. So look at this one, the IMX, Immutable X. It's holding approx $1.05. But look at the graph of the Immutable X, guys. Look at this one. 90 cent. It dropped it. People looking at bear market. Their coin almost destroyed their futures. But if you look at the Immutable IMX army, they're not letting the price down anyhow. What exactly Immutable X is doing right now? What exactly the reason behind is stable so long? And people say it's not stable. There is no fluctuation, but we see a fluctuation in a next bull run in 2025. It's easy to reach approx 400x from that price, because it's a super duper low. This is the reason why I put this thing on a 500x, because there is a massive amount of use case. Look at the trading volume just surging up. There is no any kind of centralized entity just destroying this token. No, the ecosystem also growing so harder. Look at the backer of the this Immutable X, Arlington Capital XRP, and also the Galaxy, Coinbase, and also FTX, Hubai Global, Starwire, and also the Taffy Alliance, also Nevada Capital. There is Anime brand. So a lot of big companies. FTX collapse happened, so it just impacted a little bit amount. But if you compare with these other companies, they're backing up the this Immutable X. And this is the reason why they're not dropping anyhow. Look at what happened with the that coin. Which coin I'm talking about? It FTX. So FTX dropped so harder, but this coin, it's not going anywhere. Look at this. FTX crash, and it's slightly dropping approx 38 cent, but then it's surging to higher and reaching approx $1. So easily to reach approx 400x or 500x. If it drop it, every single drop is a golden pocket. And we like, yeah, this is 500x, and also working very hard in Web3 gaming on Ethereum, powering a next generation Web3 game, Immutable X. They're also increasing. They also work very hard in a metaverse. Crazy. Immutable X already give a massive amount of return. Look at this tweets and followers. There's him, the co-founders and their developer performing very good. Look at this one. How the Immutable X work. This is small, cartoon. You can see this is the door, broken door. This beautiful lady open it. This is a future. Oh, make our dream full. So we entering this era where the dirt is everywhere, but no one believing, and we see a future right now. So this is the reason why I love this IMX and put this thing on 500x. Other coin I'm talking about, the layer 2 is layer AI. It's artificial intelligence. They build it for Ethereum. So everyone just laughing. Look at the price at the bottom. Look at the supply is very low. This is the crazy coin. People say, Travis, why put this thing? Look at the volume, not that much higher, but at least look at the supply. They have their own technology, just trying to build this thing. And this is extreme bottom, all-time high procs at 12 cent. It is easy to reach air procs at, more than a 500x. This is the reason why I put this thing on a 500x. And look at this one, how the layer AI work. Their Twitter handle page showing some kind of features. You can already see this JK roll-up layer 2. Layer AI to earn. Everyone make money. Their follower also increasing. If you get into the website, massive, good. Explain the technology, how they evolve this technology, how they look at this one. This is Internet of AI technology aiming to provide a blockchain technology, states, bank, finance on the startup, because everyone want a AI bot. No one believing some kind of centralized entity, centralized people manipulating. It's hard to calculate it. Very low, very slow. But AI bring all these things so fastly, because we live in a 21st century, and we are in a new era where AI transactions and games, Web3 is created for the 21st century space. They also working very hard in a gaming technology. This is the reason why I put this thing on a 500x. If you have any opinion about it, so link down at the bottom, you can do some comment and let me know. Other coin I'm talking about is 100x. People say, are you sure about it? You put this thing on 100x? Yes. This coin is a heavy loaded coin, guys. I didn't believe that it's possible to giving approx of 200x, 300x, because it's look at the value, $52. Just think about it, how heavy coin is it. If you buy some penny sized coin, you have a lot of stake. You're happy to see you holding thousands of 100k of the token at the very low price, just like a layer AI. But compare with the GMX, look at the dollar value. There was a $52. Hard to raise, very hard. If you think this is Ethereum is the number 2 token. Compare with the GMX, is a number 2 for Arbitrum. It's a layer 2 for Arbitrum. Bring some kind of good technology, and the DEX introducing XRP in a leverage. First thing is happen. Innovative thing, massive liquidity backing with the some decentralized finance-based token or finance-based technology. I love it. There is a less amount of supplies present on it, or easy to reaching approx 100x, eventually more than 100x. But I'm thinking, yeah, if it reach 100x, good. But if you look at the partnership of GMX, why I think this is 100x partnership with the Bitget wallet. So Bitget is a big exchange holding millions of billions of dollars. So they're holding this wallet right now, giving us support. Just think about it. Their value is just surging up. They're holding billions of dollars, and this is the reason why the price and the value approx $52. I love it, and I'm hoping the GMX performing very well in the next bull run. It's reaching more than 100x. They're also working very hard with the Arbitrum STIP incentive. Just think about it. They're holding centralized entity value. They're holding a decentralized value. So this is also a 100x project. I'm just looking easy, safe, and secure. But divide your portfolio is a better way to save your ass for burning gas. Just think about it. So stay tuned with me. If you're new in the channel, smash the like again. So look at over here. Other coin I'm talking about it is Dotchain. I didn't put a Dotchain right there, but Dotchain also a layer 2 project and giving approx 300x. So I'm gonna put a 300x DC token. So later on. So other one is a 0x, working very hard, but this is a sleeping giant, not giving that much return because the 0x holding approx 30 cent. So long. This project, it's not a new one, totally old and crazy project. The last time it reaching approx $2 and $2 again. This bear market, it consolidate. It's easy to reach approx $8. Right now approx 30, 25x. So this is the reason why automatic and 0x not giving that much return. It's hard to reach it. 50 or eventually 25x is enough to see the 0x. What exactly company is doing these days? Because I didn't see any kind of progress in 0x, but they launched their own Explorer. You can see the 0x tracker. You can clearly see how the tracker work. So main thing is that is it good for next holding, because every single day they are connecting with the more and more companies and also innovations. They're also launching the platform the of Nikta and look at what they are doing right now. But it's as safe as heaven. I'm just looking, but not that much crazy. Not giving that much of innovation technology. Their volume and investor is not that much harder. I really apologize for those who are holding it right now for my some kind of opinion, but it's my opinion, guys. That is the reason why I'm not saying it's 100x, but at least a 25x easy to reach at the next bull run. Polygon also be a part of this 0x, some kind of a connection between a Polygon and 0x. So it gives some boost up to reach approx that level, 50x. If the Polygon keeps supporting, definitely reach it. So other coin I'm going to talk about the LRC. So it's 100x, 300x, 200x. I put this thing on a 200x. So people say, Travis, are you sure about it at 200x? Yeah, $23, 23 cent. Not say $20. It's reaching. If you look at over here, the maximum graph of the this Loopring also reaching approx $3 the last pump, and you can see it's already create some kind of extreme high and breaking the all-time high. So it's easy to reach approx $8, just like the Loopring. So if it drop it, so we increase the amount just like more than 100x. So first of all, if it reach $8, 0.23, 34x, it's giving. Now main thing is that what exactly Loopring doing and why I'm thinking this is more than 100x, because it's a first ZK rollup for layer 2. So fast, secure, and 100x lower gas fees is gonna take it. They're also providing some kind of protocol where you can stake it. To massive amount of staking is going on. This is a DEX. You can use the DEX right there. Deposit it, buy and sell some token. just like GMX is better. They have a massive amount of transactions. They have a massive amount of token as compared to Loopring. So Loopring also working very hard at JK rollup layer 2. So this is the reason why I put this thing on a 200x, eventually more than 200x. So at least in the next bull run, they're not disappointed their investor. Okay, now we talk about the SNX synthetic one. Yeah, the synthetic, people say synthetic is dead. It holding again a $2.63. The supply also massive and huge, trading volume not that much good. But if you see the maximum graph, the all-time high $25, and the rally starting from approx 8 cent to approx $25. Crazy one. Those are Holo, they make insane amount of gain in a synthetic one. They also, look at this one, $2.50, and if it reach approx $250, then it giving approx very good return to the investor over 100x. So this is the reason why I put this synthetic on 100x. So not eventually more than 100x I'm looking right now. So synthetic is good. The technology keep evolving. So people say more and more token in a wrap form is incoming. So nothing is new. The new financial primitive enabling the creation of synthetic asset, unique derivatives. So I didn't see any kind of performance in a synthetic. Still working very hard, but it's a future of synthetic token. I'm not saying that we need to put a hard money right there. No, it's not like that. But this is also a little bit good, almost 10x over 50x, eventually 300x. It's giving to the investor holder. So easy to reach it. Easy to reach at this level, approx 50x, not eventually more than this level. Other coin I talk about this Celer. This technology working very hard, so fastly. The developer working so hard. Celer also went so crazy, almost a penny size coin. The supply also very low. Eye-catching thing is that, and easy to reach approx at 200x, eventually more than 200. This is the reason I put the value right there. If you compare with the maximum graph, crazy, holy shit, look at this one, so many zeros, 2 zeros and 4 cent, and now it's almost above from that level with 4x at the bottom. So it also high approx of 15, easy to reach approx $1, eventually more than a $1 in a next bull run, because this working use case fabulous one. They also developing the blockchain connect, every tab, every asset, every user. This is what people want these days, because a lot of bridge hack happen. People looking for a safest asset. The Celer is an older one. They connect with a DAFI, also some Web3 applications. So fastly, there is some kind of stablecoin, also Arbitrum and Ethereum and Optimism. These are the big companies and corporate sectors and a big DeFi pool. Also using the Celer technology. So everything is connected. So this is the reason why I put the Celer at approx 200x. The last coin I'm talking about, at least coin giving approx 500x. People say, Travis, are you crazy? 500x in a layer 2? Yes. My mom and dad say it's hard to make money from the crypto. Mom and dad, look at this ZK app. So ZK Space have a very low supply, and their trading volume also good, fabulous one. Whatever they are doing, they're reaching approx this price point, $10. Those $10 is it falling from cliff, and now it's stuck approx 4 cent. Is it good? Yeah, they're also providing a layer 2 ecosystem using a ZkSync rollup. So might be those who hold it, those who swap it, they get some kind of airdrop from ZkSync. But the era is good because they're working very hard with the swap and DEX. if they're giving some kind of new feature to the investor holder, definitely it pumps so harder. Why I'm thinking this coin giving a massive amount of return, just because it's a very penny size, at least easy to 500x. No, I'm not saying it's a 500x it's giving right now. Sounds crazy. People say, yeah, this is type of decision everyone taking these days. Say 500x you talk about, then $300, then 200x, then 100x. Which is the best way to make money? It's a 100x project. I'm just looking at, not 1000x, because the Celer is a super duper low, and as compared to JK Space, also very very low. But main thing is that, look at this one, the community mining, there is some kind of bug, and team and investor bugs. So I didn't believe it, but some people believe it. But I'm not a big fan of this space one. But at least put some kind of small amount of money to it. If it reach approx $1, I'm going to sell it and out. The other coin I'm talking about, the DYDX. Yeah, this company derivative giving approx 300x, eventually 200x. So 200x is incoming in a DYDX, just because I love to see this technology approx $300. Look at what happened. Why I'm thinking this is the futuristic of Ethereum, of some kind of DEX and trading platform, because there is a massive 24-hour volume. The last time dropping approx $1, the token almost unlocked, so many token unlocked. So there's some kind of fear inside some traders and investor and holder, and every single year they release the token. The supply is very very low. I'm not sure it's a bad idea to hold it, but at least if it dropped to $1 eventually, and $1.5, then it's giving a massive return. So I'm hoping if it reach approx $300, $200, so it's easy to give that much return. So easy to reach it, but just because their supply is very very low. Look at the bottom, the extreme bottom. They're also working very very hard with the ZkSync, ZK rollup. This is the reason why I love it. But look at the extreme bottom, approx $1. It falling from approx $25. So people giving up right now. People looking for other. So GMX is an older one, but developing the ecosystem is good. They comparing this thing with the GMX. GMX is way faster, way safer. But DYDX is a Switzerland-based company. I love it because Switzerland is a hub. I didn't see any kind of scam in Switzerland. This is the reason why I believe this DYDX. And GMX is good. So if I'm looking for a DEX for layer 2, so GMX and also DYDX is good. Next bull run giving massive return. This is the reason why I bought it. I'm sorry. So they're connecting with a lot of companies. Also the migrations of DYDX from Ethereum to own chain. This is the first time they launch it, so it's very very hard to do that. There is some kind of voting system is going on. At least they have some kind of governance system to make this thing possible to see some kind of a gigantic rally in a DYDX. Another coin I'm talking about is Zen token. People say, what are you gonna talk about Zen? Is it good, Travis? Because Zen, Jack Levin is a crazy guy who just create some new token and dump it. People so it's hard to reach it 500x. Let me show you how you can make 500x. I'm not sure you can make it. People make it. So many people make it. I'm also make it. 500x. The first one is their ecosystem. You can mint it. You can get into the website. I told you guys I talk about this thing in a next video. So here you can see this is a Zen NFT. Now you can see this is my minting over here, Zen NFT in a post chain, because there's a lot of exchange or a lot of network. So I use a pulse chain because it's a hidden one. So I mint almost this much quantity of token. And this is the reason why I grabbed the bottom. If you think, if you compare this value, it's giving me approx 10x extra token, and keep generating a new token for me. But there is some kind of deadline, there is some kind of date. If you miss the date, or 1 day or 2 days miss the date, the token almost decreasing and burn it and destroy it. So within a 7 day we need to claim it, not 7 day, on that day. Just think about it. This is the reason why I'm thinking this is a 100x project, not from the price. Price is a bottom. If it goes higher, and if it reach approx at this price point, so it's a deflationary one. Anything has happened is a possible in a crypto, but this one is a layer 2, just because they're launching the X1 in a DeFi pool. Jack 11 is a future. Alright, this is all about the layer 2 coin related information. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. If I missed something, write down in the comment section. I will see you later on. Thank you for watching. See you next video.